When you visit Korea, Myeongdong Kyoja restaurant should be at the top of your foodie list. Why? 8 years in a row sila recipient ng Michelin Awards. Apart from being a Michelin awardee for 8 years, look at the prices. It ranges only from 11,000 to 12,000 won. Aapat lang yung items nila sa menu. Yun nga lang, hindi namin na-order yung ika-apat. Tuwing summer lang nila sinaserve yun.
Nakakatuwa din kasi meron silang robot tray delivery system.
So what we ordered are the kalguksu. Grabe, sobrang sarap niya. Tapos ang sarap ng pinaka-noodles, especially yung ground beef. Sobrang sarap. The mandu, it's pork and cabbage steam. Sobrang sarap niya lalo kapag nilagyan siya ng soy sauce nila and then sinilawsaw niyo sa chili garlic. Grabe. And lastly, the bibimbapsu. Medyo may pagkamalamig siya, may konting punch because it's a bit spicy, pero it's really good as well. Sa sobrang sarap niya, nakatatlong balik kami sa 4 na araw ng stay namin sa Myeongdong.
And of course, after natin kumain, kailangan natin maghugas ng mabuti ng ating kamay. See you!